I waxed a dozen frames this morning, but what's left over is some pretty skanky looking wax with all sorts of debris in it, including a couple dead bees. But what I do with this small amount is I filter it through some paper towels. Now here is the result of one of the filtering operations where I held a strainer by hand, but now I'm getting smarter. I take the strainer, put a piece of paper towel in it, and then I put a small container into a larger container so the strainer fits nicely on top of that, and we'll see how that works out. This is the next day, and here is the hardened chunk of wax. Turned out pretty nicely. I use a 2-part honey strainer for my wax, but I pretty much am going to dedicate this strainer to wax and not use it for honey again. You might want to use some sort of a colander or something, a kitchen strainer instead of a honey strainer. But this is big, and I like it because it sits nicely on this little red bucket for filtering small amounts of wax and getting it pretty clean.